Welcome to your expense overview. On this sheet, you don't need to do anything but have a look at it. So let's click on the daisy. Do not do anything to this sheet. If the months start at the wrong month, only change the first set of months on the left, which is cells B7 to B18, and make sure the format does not change. If your months don't go from January to December, you can change this month here. I'd suggest you just double click on it and change the month. If you start in March, you can do that, and you can change every month going for the next 12 months. For the purpose of this spreadsheet, we're going to keep it at January to December, but if you do need to change them, only do it in this first section of the expense overview, and that will change the order of the months for your entire tracker. As you saw, if you change this month, it's automatically going to change all of the sections following, so only change the month at the top of the sheet. So you'll see this is your expense overview. This is how much you have paid or contributed to each expense and category that you had put into your category sheet. All of the banking information that we had filled out in our banking sheet automatically went into our expense overview sheet here. Now, obviously, as you fill in more banking information, everything will be filled out. You'll see everything monthly, and then you'll also see the entire year for every expense. That's in the bottom right-hand corner of each little box for each expense. Again, if you don't have all 50 expenses filled out in your category sheet, these will all become blank and they will pop up as you add more categories. And then if you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, you just have precise expense overview, which will show you everything by month. Plus in the bottom right-hand corner, that's your yearly total. And then of course you will have your taxes as well as your shipping and your subtotals all calculated. So that's super easy for you to reference. And then you can also look up by expense what your subtotals, your taxes, and your shipping were. You have all your totals, which will be your yearly totals, and in the right-hand corner is again what you spent in total, and that number will and should match this number over here.